Look at it. ¿Listos, calixtos?
Listos!
Let's go to the lake! Vámonos! I forgot my keys.
Streaming on PBS Kids in February, it's the all-new Work It Out Wombats. 1, 2, 3, follow me! Welcome to the Treeborhood. Yeah! Our tree has secret passageways. How do we not know this? Home to a family of wombats, lizards. It's gonna be a wild ride. A few crabs, yay! And more. Work It Out Wombats, a brand new show streaming Monday, February 6th on PBS Kids. Meet Zadie. She's a wombat, I know, with lots of ideas. We need a search party. Woohoo! Work It Out Wombats, a brand new show streaming Monday, February 6th on PBS Kids.
Etc., etc. Rosie's Rules is made possible in part by
Target believes that the power of play and the joy of everyday life are all around. Target is a proud sponsor of PBS Kids.
This may look like a lot, but tonight is Taco Night. By your side for over 130 years. McCormick, proud sponsor of PBS Kids. And by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people. And by viewers like you. Thank you. I taught you to throw a ball. Are you taught?
This is the Maryland Department of Emergency Management with a coordinated test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters are testing equipment used to warn you during an emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Know me that life is an adventure. No matter where you go, all you need is a little courage and imagination. Sometimes I forget what's important. Luckily, you remind me. The world is full of possibilities, and so are you.
At PBS Kids, make way for Almost Way, a show about stopping.
Oh, wait!
Listening.
I don't want to go to movie night. What just happened?
About looking.
Ugh, I think I need a break.
And thinking it over.
I gotta figure this out.
Discover what it means to figure things out.
I know what to do.
Almost Way. Streaming free now on PBS Kids. It's time to get to know PBS Kids Nature Show.
Upward and onward.
Tally ho!
Onward and onward.
Nature Cat.
Tally ho!
Streaming now free on PBS Kids.
Spy with my little eye, something red. Is that red card?
Today we're at the flea market. It is the perfect place to play one of our very favorite games, I Spy. First, you choose one of the players to be the spy. Then the spy silently chooses an object and then reveals the object to the other players by saying, I spy with my little eye something blue. Then the other players try to guess what the secret object is. I spy with my little eye something red.
Is that notebook?
No, good guess. If the players are having trouble finding the secret object, then the spy can give an additional hint. I'll give you a hint. Look up.
Is it that red, white, and blue?
Mailbox! Yes, that's exactly what it is. You got it. All that matters is that you're making kids think about their surroundings and exposing them to new words. Bye! Learning is always fun on PBS Kids from MPT. Funding for Don Quixote has been provided in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people. These generous supporters, and by viewers like you. Thank you.